Elevate your aerial photography and flying experience with the Xiaomi YK8 Pro Drone. This professional-grade, foldable RC quadcopter is engineered for precision and ease of use, boasting an impressive 8K aerial HD camera system, cutting-edge omnidirectional infrared intelligent obstacle avoidance, powerful brushless motor, and seamless 5G Wi-Fi image transmission. The YK8 Pro is your ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and navigating the skies with absolute confidence. Unparalleled aerial imagery with 8K HD camera and anti-shake lens. The YK8 Pro truly shines in its imaging capabilities. It features a wide-angle 4K or 6K or 8K high-definition camera on the front lens, promising incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. The camera is equipped with a self-stabilized electronic anti-shake lens, ensuring your aerial footage is remarkably smooth and professional-looking, even during dynamic movements. The camera angle can be precisely adjusted by the transmitter up to 90 degrees, allowing for flexible framing during flight. Enjoy real-time, lag-free video streaming directly to your mobile device with the drone's 5G Wi-Fi image transmission. Intelligent flight and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the YK8 Pro's advanced flight systems. Its omnidirectional infrared intelligent obstacle avoidance system provides comprehensive protection, actively detecting obstacles from all directions. This ensures safe navigation and significantly reduces the risk of collisions, making it incredibly easy to control for both beginners and experienced players. The drone also features a pressure sensor for height setting and optical flow positioning for stable flight and precise fixed-point hovering, enhancing overall stability. Powerful brushless motor and ultra-long endurance. The YK8 Pro is propelled by a robust 1503 brushless motor, which provides stronger power, greater efficiency, and a longer service life compared to traditional motors. This translates to more stable flight and enhanced durability. Powered by an ultra-long endurance Li-ion battery, the drone offers a solid flight time, with a charging time of approximately 2 hours via USB 5V. User-friendly controls and smart features. The YK8 Pro is designed for intuitive operation and packed with intelligent functions. App mobile phone control offers comprehensive control via a dedicated application. Custom route, you can draw the picture you want to fly on the app, and the drone will fly autonomously along the designated route. Back with one key, easily find your way home with a single press of a button. Headless mode, no need to adjust the aircraft's position before flying, simplifying control for beginners. Standard flight movements, capable of ascending and descending, moving forward and backward, and left and right side flight. Compact, foldable and portable design. Designed for convenience, the YK8 Pro is a foldable drone. When folded, it measures a compact 14 by 8 by 7 cm, expanding to 26 by 25 by 7 cm when open. Weighing just 192 grams, takeoff weight, its light body weight is a significant advantage, as it can avoid national air traffic control in many countries. Drones over 250 g often require certification or registration, saving you the hassle of certification and registration. Features: omnidirectional infrared intelligent obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi, brushless motor, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, customizable route, app control, one key return, headless mode, ultra-long endurance. The Xiaomi YK8 Pro drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K HD camera capabilities, comprehensive omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, powerful brushless motors, and intelligent flight modes, all within a portable and regulation-friendly design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Like this review? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite drone feature below.